Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and design, making it a standout choice for both commuting and recreational rides. With a robust 1000W motor, this e-bike delivers impressive acceleration, effortlessly reaching speeds of over 30 miles per hour. This level of power makes it perfect for navigating through busy urban streets or tackling hilly terrains, providing a thrilling experience for riders who crave speed and adventure. One of the bike's most appealing features is its 48V 20AH removable battery, which offers an outstanding range of up to 80 miles on a single charge. This substantial battery capacity is ideal for long-distance rides, alleviating any range anxiety that might come with electric bikes. The removable design allows for easy charging, as you can take the battery indoors without hauling the entire bike, making it a practical option for daily use. The folding design of the bike is another excellent feature, catering to those with limited storage space or who need to transport the bike in vehicles. The folding mechanism is intuitive and secure, allowing for quick and hassle-free transformation from ride-ready to stored in just a few moments. Once folded, the bike is compact enough to fit in the trunk of a car or a closet, enhancing its versatility. In terms of comfort, the bike is equipped with a well-padded seat and adjustable handlebars, ensuring a comfortable riding position for various body types. The suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, making for a smoother ride on uneven surfaces. However, while the bike excels in many areas, it is worth noting that its weight may be a consideration for some users, especially when folded. Additionally, the speed can be daunting for novice riders. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive combination of power, practicality, and range, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or enjoy weekend excursions.